Hello and welcome to this video. Writing for social media can be tricky, but the good news is it can actually be easier than traditional writing with a few tricks. I'm gonna show you social media writing tricks today, and it's on special art, and I have shown you today. Let me ask you this: have you ever watched somebody scrolling through their social media feed? I mean, you know how to do, but it even more amazing if you are standing on a bus or a subway or something can watch other people do it. I mean, they are flying, and so if they are even gonna have a chance of reading the word you wrote, they have got to be written in certain ways. So this is social media writing technique by really writing for scroller or skimmer, so you can actually get their attention before they are on to the next thing. By the end of this video, you will be able to write better to catch people attention. These techniques are a combination of common sense and year of practicing writing for different brands and types of clients or different social media network. My opinion, writing on social media is much more casual compared to like Oxford style, or you may have heard the term API style of writing. That means said, grammar, spelling is very important. No one gonna take you serious or hire you if you don't even have the basics of writing social media content. Today I'm going to showing you how to use ChatGPT for writing a content for social media. Now what I'm gonna do, I open the ChatGPT and I asked the ChatGPT, give me some idea of social media content. Here are some idea for social media content. So first only like educational content, exploration content, lifestyle content, entertainment content, and current event content can be shared in news or update on the latest event happening around the world along with your opinion or insight. The number 6 can be user generated content. Number 7 behind the scenes content. Number 8 Q&A sessions. Number 9 product or service content, and number 10 can be the collaboration or partnership content. So if you want to more content, so you can ask give me more tips. Here are some more tips for creating social content. Number 1, know your audience. Understanding who your audience is and what they are interested in and what kind of content they engaged with the most. This will help you tailor your content to their performance and increase engagement. Then number 2 can be use visuals, like use high quality visuals such as photos, videos or graphics to make your content more engaging and shareable. And number 3 can be consistency is key when it comes to social content. Create a content calendar and sticky to it to ensure that your followers know when to expect new content. Be authentic. It can be the people can sense when content is forced or insincere. Be authentic and show your blah blah blah. So you can follow these tips. Now what I'm gonna do, give some, then what I'm gonna do, title only. Here are some social media post title ideas, like first one, 10 tips for a productive day, how to start your day with a positive mindset, the benefits of meditation for mental health, like this 4 to 10. You can see the title only. Then last one can be like the power of positive thinking. And you can, what you can do, you can take more, give more. Certainly, here are some more social media post title ideas. First one is 5 way to stay motivated when working from home, the ultimate guide to traveling on a budget, can be like this. So I'm gonna stop now, and what I'm do now, I just take one of them. I'm going to choose the one, the power of positive thinking, and copy it. And first I write a content for social media, I mean Facebook. I can say Facebook, basic Facebook title with the power of positive thinking. Let's see what the ChatGPT is giving me. Title: the power of positive thinking, how it can be improve your life. The content, it says the positive thinking is a powerful tool that can help you overcome challenges, boost your self-esteem, and improve your overall being. Blah, blah, blah. You can just take it from here, copy it from here, and post in your Facebook and Twitter, wherever you want in social media, and it's very easy to do with the ChatGPT. Well done. Then next, if I want for a marketing post, so what I'm gonna do, I can same as the social media, so I can do write or give me some idea of marketing content. I can say title only. Let's see. Sure, here are some marketing content titles ideas, like 5 ways to boost your sales, storytelling in marketing, 10 marketing strategies for small businesses. Like this, here is 10 marketing content if you want to post in social media. So here you can found, and you can do same as what I have done Facebook or Twitter or the another others social media. Same as I can take from here the power of storytelling, copy it and say write title of, I just place it, and the well done. It's about the power of storytelling in marketing, how to connect with your audience. The content, it says storytelling has been used for centuries as a way to connect people and share experience. Then blah, blah, blah. Here you can read and you can take from, you can copy and post in your social media, and it's very easy by using ChatGPT. However, creating a social media contents profile can help individual and business to establish a consistent brand identity and attract the right audience for their content. It can also be a useful tool for developing a content strategy and planning future posts. Thank you for watching this video.